Paschimottanasana. Pa-sh-chi-mo-ta-na-sana. Please note, pronunciation is not Paschimottanasana. Correct pronunciation is Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana. Guide to pronunciations. Letter S with a slanted line on top sounds like sh, as in shine. Letter A for Sanskrit is not like English A's changing sound, as in at, agent, all. For Sanskrit, letter A sounds like a sound. Letter C sounds like ch for Sanskrit, child. Letter O is always O, as in opal, never like an O in ostrich. The sound is O. Examples using these letters are Shavasana, Shavasana, Chakra, Chakra, Om. It's never Aum, it's never Om. It is Om. Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold. Paschima is west direction, also means behind or after. Uttana is stretched. Asana, pose. Paschim, Uttana, Asana. Paschimottana, Asana. Paschimottanasana. According to the rules of Sanskrit grammar called Sandhi rules, letter A followed with letter U always forms letter O. Therefore, Paschim plus Uttana is Paschimottana, Paschimottanasana. Purvottanasana is upward facing plank. This is the opposite of Paschimottanasana. This one is Purvottanasana. Purva is east direction, also means early. Uttana is stretched. Asana, pose. Purva, Uttana, Asana. Purvottanasana. Purvottanasana.